This is CSIR Net, 30th November 2020. Real analysis. Question number, I don't know the question number. So we have the question is f is a non-constant polynomial of degree k and g r2r is a bounded continuous function. Then which of the following statements is necessarily true? There exists x naught belong to R such that fx naught is equal to gx naught. There is no x naught such that fx naught is equal to gx naught. Or there exists x naught such that fx naught if k is even and it exists and equal to gx naught if k is odd. So I'm not going by any proper detailed method. I've just taken examples. By that I have discarded the option. So for first option I've taken the example to be let's consider if let us take k to be 2. Okay, so and let us consider fx to be, it is a polynomial non-constant, let's take it to be x square. Now g is bounded continuous function, so let me just take g is equal to -1. Okay, for first particular first option. Right now, will there be any fx, any x naught belong to R? Just focus on this, such that fx is equal to gx, x naught is equal to gx naught. So we can clearly see that we won't be having any x naught for which x square is equal to -1, because this will have roots to be imaginary. We can see that. So there is no x naught belong to R, right? First option is discarded. Coming to the second option, I've taken the idea from this particular question example only. So there is no x naught. Let's change this to +1 for second option. So obviously now there is an x naught belong to R, which is 1, right? And also -1 also. There are two x naught in this particular case. So there is no x naught is also false, right? Coming to the third option. So third option is saying that there exists x naught belong to R such that fx naught is equal to gx naught if k is even. Okay, now again moving back to the first option, the first option ka example, that is x square and -1 will work here again. Since k is even here, we took k to be 2 and this is -1. So in that particular case they were not equal to each other for any x naught. So again by the same example as first one, this is also discarded. So my option is fourth option. I don't have a proper reason to validate this, sorry about that, but by discarding the first three option I have done it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, hit the like button.